Hi guys. So today I want to do a little paint by numbers. This is like a very easy step, especially for beginners. So I use a makeup line called Seint Beauty. So this is my compact. There's different size compacts that you guys can choose from. And as your artist, I will color match you with at least 2 different highlight colors and a contour color. So these 3 right here, they work together to create your foundation. All 3 give you coverage, so that's all you need. And then if you want to choose like a lip and cheek color or a bronzer, and I have other lip and cheek colors. So if you get 4 tins, you get a credit towards a compact. And there's different size compacts, different colors that you guys can choose from. Each tin is $14. Your first color, your highlight color, you will run out of first. So that will typically last you like 3 to 4 months. I can get longer out of mine. So when you run out, you just pop it out of your compact. It's magnetic. You can just replace it. So this is all customizable to you. Your skin tone, everything that you like, all in one spot. Again, different sizes. This is the triple decker. I have my eyeshadows down here, whatever you guys like. So I'm just gonna get started. So I'm going to start with my contour color. So this right here is called Indigo. So I'm gonna use the buff brush. This is like the perfect step for beginners. So when you do your contour, you're just putting it in the natural shadows of your face. So I have no makeup on right now. I do have lashes on. I use Lashify, and I did fill in my eyebrows. So this is my contour color. So when you contour, think of the number 3. Okay, right down here. Okay, so all you're doing is enhancing those natural shadows. Okay, if you don't have cheekbones and you want cheekbones, you can make them. You can lift your cheekbones however you want. Right down my jawline, right underneath. Okay, so there's already like that shadow there. Okay, so this gives you the appearance of a slimmer face, hides your double chin, and then you can slim your neck if you want to bring it down just like that. Okay, so right around your hairline, again, think of the number 3. Okay, perfect step for beginners. Okay, so if you want to, and it's always so hard to blend, not to blend as you go. However, you can, like if you have a larger forehead, you can make your contour come down a little bit further, but you just want to leave like the center of your forehead open. So just think of like the triangle of light. Okay, now I'm going to take my darker highlight color. This one is amber. So I have a lot of like redness in my face. So if you have any redness or darkness, dark circles, you can just put this in those areas. Okay, I don't like to do too much under my eyes. A little bit on my chin, around my jawline. Okay. And then you can put some on your forehead if you want. Okay. A little bit on my nose. Do have some redness there. Okay. There you go. Now I'm going to use this is my brightening highlight. So this one is a new shade. It's called Versailles. So I am just going to put this right in the center of my face. Okay. A little bit right here. Okay. And you really don't need a lot. I am using probably more just because I'm doing a video, but I just want to show you guys, like, look how crazy that looks. Okay, now I'm going to use a lip and cheek color for my blush. So I'm going to use this one right here. This one's Pinky Promise. This one's a new one. This one's like really light, but you can mix them too. And that's probably what I'm going to do. So you can use as much or as little as you want. I always start with a little bit, especially with like the darker ones, just because you can always add more. So I'm going to, I'm gonna use this one. This one's Venice. So you can mix them, okay? So I have Pinky Promise and Venice. Like, do you see how crazy this is? Oh my gosh. Okay, you see that? It's ridiculous. Now I'm going to this brush, the best for blending. It's the blush and bronzer brush, or you can use the 3D brush if you have that. Here we go. So if you guys want to share this video, I would totally appreciate it, especially because this is everybody's favorite part, okay? So I'm just going to start with the lighter areas. Okay. I like the smaller side, but I had like a little bit of blush. I'm just gonna do it anyway. And I'm just gonna kind of press it right here. These are all made with the same formula, so they blend like beautifully together. See, I'm like pressing, and I wanna kind of, because I did my eyebrows already. So I'm just pressing it, blending those colors together. Okay. Look at this. This does not sit heavy in your fine lines or wrinkles. It sits on top of your skin, becomes a second skin, moves with your skin. Okay. Now here's everyone's favorite part. You want to make sure that you blend all the way into your hairline. Again, this is like the perfect step for beginners because this way you know exactly where placement goes and see how they blend. Look at that, look at my forehead already. I created depth and dimension, and then I'm just going to blend this. So here's my contour. You don't want to blend down, okay? You want to kind of press it, blend up. You can blend your blush down into your contour. See, I had that natural shadow already there, so all I did was enhance it and kind of like lift my cheekbones a little bit. Look at that. It's like perfect. You're like done. That is like your entire face. Seriously, like in one step. So instead of putting like layers and layers and layers of makeup on, you do your highlighting, your contouring, your foundation, like everything in one step. Do you see how like beautifully that blended out? Okay. You can blend some more if you want to. Now, if you want to, you can go in with a little bit of bronzer, which I always do. I love bronzer. So I'm going to, this is Bella, and I'm just going to take the fluffier side, and you just want to put this like in the high points of your face, anywhere where the sun hits you, where you want that like sun-kissed glow. Okay, you can add as much or as little as you want. It looks so dark, but it's really, it blends very sheer. There's other colors that you guys can choose from, which will be available actually this coming Wednesday, some new releases. So same with like the blushes. These will all be available, but there's other blushes that you guys can choose from now. And if you guys are interested in this makeup, you can fill out my color match form, which is linked in the description box of this video. Or you can just check out the website. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Now see, I had my contour under here. You can just, I like to do this with my bronzer and then kind of bring it down my neck. See? Just like that. So easy. See that? Literally, it took me like 5 minutes to apply that. Now, if you want, you can go in with some extra brightening if you want. Just be careful. You don't want too much brightening under your eyes. Or you don't want too much product under your eyes. I like to do the extra brightening with my finger. I do use a brush sometimes, but just I like it on my finger because then I can control like how much I am putting on. And then always for beginners, I always will recommend the Perfector sponge. So a Perfector sponge, so you want this damp, so you just run it under the cold water, wring it out a couple times, squeeze all the water out of it, wrap it in a towel, and then you can go in, mine's dry, so, but you can go in and take off like any excess makeup, and this also helps blend those colors together if you don't want to use a brush. But I sometimes like do both. Okay, just like that, and you're done. That's it. So thank you guys so much. If you guys have any questions, let me know. My color match form is in the link in the description box if you guys want to try this makeup out. It is 30 days, 30-day money back guarantee. You have 60 days to exchange it. So you guys have like plenty of time to try it, see if you like it. I love this makeup. It's customizable to you. I am trained in color matching, so I can help you pick out your colors and customize your own palette. There's different sizes that you can choose from. So thank you guys so much. I would really appreciate it if you guys could like and share this video, and I'll see you guys next time.